Hi and welcome to this Tech Insights video. My name is Mary and I'm an application engineer here at IFM Effector. You are here because you have either purchased or plan to purchase one of our SA series flow sensors. In today's video, we are going over the programming of our SA series flow sensor. So let's get started. So here you have the Learn More section on our website for our SA series flow sensors. In this video, we are going over the programming of the SA series flow sensor. So I wanted to show you this page where we define some of the commonly used terms in our menu structure. For example, we have H&O, HNC, FNO, and FNC, which are the different type of outputs used in our SA series flow sensor. If you scroll down further, we go over the different operating modes used in our SA sensor. Our SA sensors can be used in 3 different modes: relative, liquid, and gas. Relative mode gives you a percentage of how much flow is going through the line based on what you have taught as the high flow and low flow conditions. Liquid and gas mode are absolute modes in which it will give you an actual flow rate measurement based on what you have programmed the media and inner pipe diameter for. So now let me take you to the sensor itself and show you how to manually program it using the display and push buttons. So in this video, I am going to program an SA6010 sensor. As you can see, this specific part number has a 1/2 inch MPT process connection and a 26.6 millimeter probe length. As always, we have other SA options available with different process connections and different probe lengths. So to begin, you can see that the display is showing UL, and it has a percentage LED lit. That is because this sensor comes factory set for relative mode and it has not been taught its high and low flow conditions yet. So to begin, I'm going to take you into the menu by pressing this enter button. Here you see your teach high parameter and your teach low parameter. Next, if you hit down, you'll see I&I, which is your initialization menu. If you press enter, this will take you to the mode parameter. In this video, I am going to show you how to set this sensor for liquid mode. So if I press enter when you see mode, you can see that it is factory set for relative. If you hold down either the up or down arrow key, your display will begin to flash and then scroll. So you'll see relative, liquid, and gas as your options. So in this video, I'm setting it for liquid mode. So when you see your desired parameter setting, you'll press enter. When changing the mode of the SA series flow sensors, you will receive these dashed lines across the display because it is resetting the mode. Once you see the 3 rows of dashed lines, you can press enter to go to your next parameter setting. In absolute mode, which is the liquid or gas settings, you need to set your media type. So when you see MEDI, you'll press enter. You can see it is factory set for H2O. Again, if you hold down either the up or down arrow key, you'll see the display begin to flash and then scroll through your options. So H2O, glycol, oil 1, and oil 2 are your options. The difference between oil 1 and oil 2 is dependent on the viscosity of oil you are monitoring. In this video, I'm going to keep it set for H2O. So when I see H2O, I'll press enter. Next, after media, if you hit down, you'll see DIA, which is your inner pipe diameter setting. So if you press enter, you'll see it is factory set for none. Again, if you hold down either the up or down arrow key, your display will begin to flash, and then you can scroll to set your inner pipe diameter in inches. In this video, I'm going to keep it set for 2 inches. So once I press enter, it takes me back to my main display, and you can see it no longer shows it in percentage, it shows it in gallons per minute. On your main display, you can toggle through the different display options. You'll see it in cubic feet per minute, you'll see your temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, and the flow velocity in feet per second. So I want to take you back into the menu now by pressing enter. If you hit down, you'll see SP1, which is your set point 1 for output 1. Then you'll see RP1, which is your reset point for output 1. Then if you press down again, you'll see ASP2, which is your analog start point for output 2. And AEP2, which is your analog endpoint for output 2. Next, if you see EF for extended functions, you can press enter to go into this menu. Here you have RES to factory reset your sensor. If you press down, you'll see CFG for the configuration menu. If you press enter on this menu, this is where you can set your output 1 and your output 2 settings. And then you can see other settings as well as UNI, in which you can change your units that are displayed on the sensor. So there you have it. That's how you manually program an SA series flow sensor. And that concludes this Tech Insights video on the programming of our SA series flow sensors. As always, you can check out our Learn More page on our website for helpful information on any of our products. Feel free to contact us at our service center at 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.